Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an transformation class. I am telling again a transformation class for the students of class 9. Let's see our today's topic. It is transformation class, simple to complex. This is our English second paper class. Dear students, look, and it is our lecture number 3 and homework number 3 also. So dear students, today we shall learn transformation simple to complex sentences. So in these connections, I hope that all of you will give your attention to understand transformation simple to complex. I am telling again, simple to complex. Look at both. Transformation simple to complex. Look at the example. At first you have to understand the simple example properly. Hearing the news, he went home. Look at the example of simple tense. Hearing the news, he went home. Dear students, this is an example of simple tense. So we understand here there is only one finite verb, and that is went. Go and gone. This is an example of finite verb. So in a sentence when there will be a single finite verb, okay, it will be an example of simple sentence. So hearing the news, here hearing is an example of gerund. Hearing the news, he went home. So this sentence we will complex it. Now look, hearing the news, he went home. At first we need to find out the subject. So which one is the subject? He. Okay, we will write he. Okay, he went home. Hearing the news, he went home. So dear students, one important things I am telling you. So whenever we will complex such kind of sentence, hearing the news, he went home, we will write, we will take the help of when. I am writing here. Since or as. So look, we will take the help of such kind of connectors like when, since and as. So look, hearing the news, he went home. At first we can take anyone, we can take when. Follow me. When, look at the subject he, when he, verb is in past form. So we need to think about the past form of here. Here is heart, heart. Here is heart, heart. So look, S-E-A-R, here it is heart. S-E-A-R. Here present form, heard, past form, and heard also past participle form. When he heard, S-E-A, heard the news, comma, he went home. Number 1 is done. I am telling again the answer. When he heard the news, he went home. Number 2, simple. The man walking in the street is very old. I am telling again, the man walking in the street is very old. So after the subject, the man, there is past participle of walking. Here you will take the help of who, which, what, relative pronoun. Okay. Who, which, what. I am writing the man who, person, who represents here person, the man who is walking in the street, follow me, the man who is walking in the street is very old. I am writing here. So look at the answer again. The man who is walking in the street is very old. Here after the subject the man, I have taken a help of who, relative pronoun. The man who is walking in the street is very old. Next, he is too short to touch. Look, he is too short to touch. In these connections we will take the help of so. So follow me. He is so short. So then the adjective form, short is also an adjective form. He is so short, then we will take the help of that. He is so short that, then the subject he, as it is written in present indefinite tense, we will take the help of can or may. The he cannot or may not, as you wish, may not. He is so short that he cannot or may not touch. Done. Next example, by taking exercise regularly you can enjoy a good health. So in these connections we will take the help of if condition. If you take exercise regularly you can enjoy a good health. If connectors, then if, subject is you. If you, then the present form of taking is take. If you take exercise, after subject we will write here verb. If you take exercise regularly, comma, you can enjoy a good health. Okay, I am telling again. Here we will put full stop. So if you take exercise regularly, you can enjoy a good health. Now we will go to next page. Look here. I like him because of his honesty. Look at the simple sentence. I like him because of his honesty. Here we will also take the help of because, since. So because, since, yes. I like him because of his honesty. Follow me. Subject I, then verb. I like him. If we write because, no problem. I like him because, or since, or as. I like him because, since, or as, anyone. Then subject he, then the present form of the verb is, then the adjective form of honesty is honest. So follow me. I like him because or since as he is honest. Next, in spite of having much riches, he is very simple. So whenever in a sentence there will be in spite of or despite of, we will use though or although in the complex sentence. I am telling again, in spite of having much riches, he is very simple. Though or although. Though, then the subject, it is he. Though he having much riches. Though he has much, mu, follow, much riches or wealth. Though he has much riches, he is, rest part of the sentence, he is very simple. Okay, look. Though or although he has much riches, he is very simple. Next, she goes to library to read. I am telling again, she goes to library to read. Okay. She goes to the library so that, okay, we have taken the help of so that, then the subject, so that she, present indefinite, we can take help can or may, so that she can or may read. Okay, look at the last sentence again. She goes to the library so that she can or may read. Dear students, look at the end of our board. This is our last attraction. It is homework exercise from your book, page number 152. So I am showing you the book. So look, this book, Advanced Learner Communicative Grammar and Composition. Most of you have this book. Okay, you will open your book, page number 152. Then you will see the exercises. So I am telling again, page number 152. Not all exercises, only the selected numbers like 1, 4, 11, 18 and 35. So in totally there are 5 number of exercise. Dear students, please pick up the sentence. Then below in the segment of answer portion you will write the answer. I am telling again, you must pick up the simple sentence. Then in the complex portion you will write the answer like me, as I have given you the instruction. Dear students, I hope this class will help you very much to understand transformation simple to complex. And I hope that if you do the exercise properly, this doing exercise properly will help you better simple to complex transformation. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.